Here's how to turn on G-SYNC using the Nvidia app. Let's get into the method. Open the Nvidia app first. You can search for it in the search bar to find it. It should be installed with your graphics drivers, but you can get it separately. Within the app, select System from the menu on the left, and then make sure you are in the Displays tab. In here, the top option just under Global Settings should be the G-SYNC option. Select the G-SYNC box on the left and set this to On and click on Apply. If your monitor uses FreeSync or Adaptive Sync, you might also want to scroll down and turn on the option called G-SYNC Compatible in the Display Properties section. It might already be enabled by default though with the G-SYNC option at the top. If the G-SYNC option is not showing or says not available, there are a few things we can check. First, check on your monitor's own settings to ensure that G-SYNC, Adaptive Sync or FreeSync is turned on there. It's often within the Game Settings page. You can also check that your monitor supports it. Once it's turned on in your monitor settings, your screen may go black for a few seconds. Then you can restart the Nvidia app, and now it should be available to turn on. If you are using HDMI, try using DisplayPort instead to connect your monitor to the PC and try this again. We can also check that the monitor technology setting is set to G-SYNC or G-SYNC compatible. To do this, click on Graphics from the menu on the left, then choose Global Settings at the top, and scroll down to the Monitor Technology option and set this to G-SYNC or G-SYNC compatible. If you have a laptop, you might need to switch it to dedicated Nvidia graphics only mode to get the G-SYNC option to appear. I'd recommend researching how to do this for your specific laptop, as the method will differ. It usually involves switching from hybrid or Nvidia Optimus to discrete GPU or DGPU mode, and this can often be changed in your laptop manufacturer's own built-in software or sometimes the BIOS. This will likely use a lot more battery life as it will just be using the Nvidia graphics and not the integrated as well. That's how to turn on G-SYNC using the Nvidia app. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now. You might find these helpful too.